and we are getting ready for an outside backyard camp out. Do you have a flashlight? We are gonna learn each other in the simple ways, okay? And twirl it. Would you rather go to the sky, top of the sky, or go to the bottom of the ocean? Alrighty y'all, me and Mark just got done putting the tent together and we are getting ready for an outside backyard camp out, and we are really excited because this is our first camp out here in Texas and we wanted to bring y'all along tonight as we are getting ready for bed and all that, and all of our little midnight conversations and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we're really excited, and back in California we camped out in our backyard, so we're looking forward to a lot more camp outs here in Texas. And now that it's summer, it's perfect for these campouts. So yeah, we just gotta wait till it's time to go to bed or time to go in our tent. Wait till Luke and John go to bed, and then we're gonna come out here and hang out and talk and do all that fun stuff. So yeah, we're excited to bring you all along. We just got outside, y'all, and it is about 9:20. So we're gonna go head to our tent and go set up all of our pillows and blankets because it's about 9:20. So, ready, Mark? Yeah, ready. Okay, let's go. It is so dark. I'm barefoot, so I hope I don't step on anything. But yeah, okay. So, do we have a flashlight, Mark? Do you have a flashlight?
Somewhere.
I'm still right here, y'all, okay? I didn't go anywhere. Yeah, we're really close to the house. We're like kind of close. So I hope as the summer goes on, we can get further away from the house. It'd be kind of cool. Okay, please open the tent. We're gonna need to get a flashlight so y'all can see something. Okay, good. Okay. So this is a 3-person tent, but it truly only fits like 2 people.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Hi, Lily. You're out here too. Okay, just leave the light on so we can set everything up. Yeah, try to tie it up there, and then it'll be really good. So we'll see how well we sleep with all the dogs barking. But I think it'll be really fun because we used to camp all the time. So
yeah,
it'll be good. Then maybe we can do it tomorrow night too, depending how the night goes. Because then we can just wake up and just start doing chores. And yeah, we have some exciting news to tell y'all once we are laying down. I still have to do a couple things inside, but once I'm done, we have a couple exciting things to share with y'all. So. Okay, that works perfect. Now let's set everything up, and y'all will see it once it's done. So we just finished setting up all of our blankets and everything. Got the pillows and all that. And this is actually all of our RV stuff. So we're like, hey, let's do some of our camp and RV stuff. So yeah, do you need another blanket? Yes. Okay, so we're gonna have to go get another blanket for Mark because he wants to lay one down on the tarp and then have one to cover him. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all once we come back in here. Alrighty, y'all, we are in our tent. We got our initial things done, and we even brought a game. I think they already saw it.
Did they?
Yeah, I think so, because I showed it down like that. We brought the game Skippo.
Skippo.
And yeah, that's a good fun game that we're gonna play. And yeah, and it's really nice that we hung up a flashlight so we can see everything that we're doing. But first, we have to tell them exciting news, right?
Ooh, exciting news.
Do you want to tell them?
Sure.
Okay.
Well, I went to go feed the chickens, and then there was eggs.
Oh yeah, so our Americanas, y'all, we got 3 blue eggs from Americanas. Okay, so that was really exciting news, and they're pretty tiny eggs, but it's just because they're first starting. So yeah, but it's super exciting. We're starting to get our eggs. We thought it was like totally like 2 months away. So it is really, really, really exciting. And yeah, are you ready to play? Okay, y'all, we figured out something to do. We are gonna learn each other in the simple ways, okay? Like he probably knows my favorite color, but like, you know, that kind of stuff, like random questions. We're gonna ask each other like random questions that we would like rarely ever say to each other, like really random and weird questions. Okay?
Okay.
Would you rather go to the sky, top of the sky, or go to the bottom of the ocean?
Bottom of the sky. No, bottom of the sky. Bottom to the ocean.
You rather go to the bottom of the ocean? Would you rather eat a peach or an apple?
It depends if it's a good peach.
Okay, they're both good.
Oh, peach.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Would you rather have a cup of tea or a cup of coffee?
Coffee.
Coffee? Tea for me.
Tea?
Yeah. Do you rather, now what would you like to try, like to eat wise?
Ooh.
Like something you never tried. Would you rather like try bear or deer?
Bear.
Bear? I think deer for me.
Deer.
Yeah. Alrighty, y'all. So we'll see y'all in the morning. Good night. Bye-bye. Nighty-night, y'all. See y'all later.
Good morning, y'all. Okay, so we slept pretty good last night, right? I mean, pretty good. Not like 100% good because it got a lot colder than we thought. Like a lot colder, and I had to come in like at 3 in the morning and got more blankets because it was like really cold. But after that, we slept good. Yeah. And that's pretty much all that happened, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much. Yeah. So it was really cool hearing the dogs bark and the coyotes and all that. Mm-hmm. And what else? And in the morning, Luke came out and he threw in one of the puppies inside the tent. And so we thought, oh great, what is he gonna do? But he just came and snuggled up and went to sleep. So he's so cute.
What happened to your piece of toast?
Had a little crisp.
Crispy. So crispy. Do you like it that way, or did it kind of just happen?
Kind of just happened over time.
Oh, okay. Well, you enjoy yours, and I'm gonna eat mine. Okay.
So what are some of your plans for today?
Well, today we are gonna make a nesting box for our chickens.
Yeah, because as we said to y'all last night, our chickens started laying eggs, and we actually ate a couple of their eggs this morning, and they're really good.
Yeah,
They're really good. So you've got to make them a nesting box, and yeah, it came a lot sooner than we thought. So that's really awesome. I'm glad they're laying now because we need eggs, you know. So yeah, so that's pretty much all. So we're gonna make them a nesting box. What are you gonna use to make the nesting boxes?
I'm gonna probably use some of the wood from the table that I made.
Yeah, he made in California, when we were in California, he made a table. So, and it kind of broke on the road here, so he's just gonna, did you already take it apart?
Yes,
yeah, so he took that apart. We're gonna use the wood from that, and then we have a couple pallets that are kind of broken, but they'll work, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, we're just gonna make them a nice nesting boxes, nice and cozy, for them to lay their eggs in. And yeah, so that's what we're doing today, y'all. We are now outside building the chicken nesting box, and Marcus just started on it, and I actually took a shower, and I just thought, like, I haven't been clean for a video in like so long. Usually I just grab the camera like, oh, I'm gonna film, and I'm like a mess, but yeah. So I just realized, oh, I'm actually clean this time for a video, so that's funny. But yeah, so you're starting on getting the wood together. Yeah, so yeah, let's get working on it. Hey y'all, I have a really good idea. Mark is still working on the chicken nesting box, but Mark said I could use a scrap of wood. So I am going to make a sign and I'm going to write fresh eggs on it. So above the nesting box we can hang this. And I thought it'd be really cute. So I'm going to look around to see if maybe markers will work, or if we have a bright colored paint that'll stand out. Okay y'all, I have found some green spray paint that I can spray the board, and then I found these really sticky black stickers that are letters. So I'm gonna write fresh eggs with this after I spray paint the board green. So I think that's what I'm gonna be working on right now. Alrighty y'all, so I'm gonna start spraying this here. I think I'll just have to do one side of it in the front. Gonna lay it in the grass and just spray it, and then I think I'll be good. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna kind of pick the grass around it, and then I'll have it dry here too. So we'll see how this turns out, y'all. And it sure turned out okay. Look y'all, I'm done. I finished it. It's pretty good, and I think we're going to paint the whole chicken nesting box like a nutmeg tan color. So that's what we're gonna do as soon as Mark is done. Look y'all, we are done with the nesting boxes and they turned out really, really good. Just look at them y'all. There's 2 boxes. I think Mark did a really good job. There's like sides on all the walls, and I am going to get stain in these boxes here. I think I'm going to go ahead, like I said, with the nutmeg tan, and then probably like the darker green inside to match the signs. And I think I'm going to put the signs like one right here and then one on that corner. So we'll see how that goes. So let's get staying in the nesting box. Today is actually the next day, and we finished the chicken nesting box, and it turned out really, really cute. We got that tan and that nutmeg, and we gave it like a full day to dry, and it turned out really good. And I decided, y'all, not to put on the signs. It was a really cute idea, but the stickers started peeling off, so we did put them on, but we just decided to take them off because the stickers would peel off, so we just took them off. But it's okay, the nesting boxes turned out really cute, and to cover up like the nails, I put like a white trim around it, and it turned out really cute. So I am gonna go inside the chicken coop to go show y'all. So here's the nesting box. It turned out really cute. We put it next to their bedroom, and yeah, it turned out really good. We got some hay in there. So yeah, that turned out good. So that's really awesome. Sorry about that noisy rooster. He gets really loud once we come in there to film and stuff, and we just walk in there. He starts like crowing like that, and if it was a little hard to understand me, I'm sorry. So yeah, it's about to rain, y'all. Well, it kind of is raining. It's like misting. So I am going to end the vlog here, and I just want to tell y'all thank you for coming along with us. We had a really fun time building the chicken nesting boxes, and especially camping out. We haven't done that in a while, so that was really fun. And yeah, so thank y'all, and thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!